She's opening the flaps.
Where in the world did you find that at?
Heather found it on eBay.
Thank you, Heather.
She just said,
My
thank you,
mama
Heather.
used to make these.
We know.
Oh,
You told me.
oh.
That's it. That's all that's in there.
Thank you. Well, tell her she don't have to send me $20. Oh, how neat.
Okay, I love you, baby. Hey, hey. Oh, okay. Yes.
That's enough.
I know.
That's enough.